Thanks to Chad and Good Deal Properties, I was able to sell my property that was been a thorn in my side for years, and he made it quick, made it easy, and I made out good. Thank you, Chad.